So in this video, we gonna just jump straight into it. I'm taking this 613 colored wig into a nice blonde, y'all. Like, this is the perfect blondes. I feel like this will go with most skin types. Okay, so we're gonna jump into it. I'm taking the Adore Honey Brown mixed with a little bit of Paprika. You want to use more of the honey brown than the Paprika. The Paprika just kind of gives it, I guess, that little brown balance that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to take my brush and I'm doing my roots. And this part is very tedious because you don't want to mess up your lace. But however, before I did any coloring, I sprayed my lace with a hairspray and then I let it dry. This way it protects the lace from getting stained. Another tip, y'all. Okay, so I'm just continuing to go in on the roots. I didn't want my roots super jet black because I don't like how it goes from black to blonde. So I'm going to take now my mascara brush and I'm taking a black rinse and I'm gonna smudge the roots. Zala. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know I gotta do it, okay? So I'm taking the mascara brush and I'm literally just going over that brown, but I'm not bringing it all the way over the brown. So with the black and the brown and then the blonde, it's going to be a mixed blend that looks very nice. And y'all, I just be freestyling. Like, this is nothing I did before. Then I'm taking an Ion Medium Blonde and a Mystique Divine and 10 NC, and I'll list it all below. However, I did use another dye. I just didn't have the box with me, but I'm gonna leave all three colors below. And I just have 3 different bowls mixed with each dye, and I mixed them with 20 volume developer. However, I will usually use 10 volume developer because the hair is already blonde and it'll take the color. But I didn't have that in the house, so I used it with 20 volume developer for each color. And I'm just randomly placing the color. There is no strategic way. I'm just randomly placing it, and I'm making sure to blend the top in with the roots because you do not want it to be that yellowish blonde in the hair still. You don't want that. Okay, so as you can see, some spaces are like darker than others. That's because I told you, I just placed it in randomly. And as you can see, the color is looking like a strawberry pink, but wait till it dries because with blonde it's very tricky. As you can see, this is the outcome, but if you look at it when it's wet, you will get really scared. But you have to wait until it's dry. And the color is bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Look at the roots. You see how well blended they are? And you can't even tell that I added that hint of black in it. Telling y'all, I should be a colorist. I just be freestyling. But in this one I did some wand curls, a few wand curls, and then I also wanted to show you it when it was straight. And that is all, y'all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll be back with another tutorial.